Is CDKeys safe to buy? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be discussing the legitimacy of CDKeys for purchasing game codes, FIFA points, and similar items. If you've been searching for game codes online, you have likely encountered CDKeys, G2A, and similar websites that sell game keys for various platforms. I personally use CDKeys for many years and I haven't encountered any issues. When you make a purchase on CDKeys, ensure that you're buying the correct game for your reason. For instance, a US version may not work on a UK console. After making a purchase, you can retrieve your game code and redeem it to your chosen platform. CDKs provide instant delivery, so you'll receive your code immediately after purchase. In my experience, CDKs have been reliable and efficient. If this information has been helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.